everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pork stir fry with green chili pepper. Pork stir fry with chili peppers is a super popular dish in my hometown Sichuan, and we eat it a lot, and I mean really a lot. It deliciously combines the flavor of pork and green chilies. It is one of the easiest dishes you can make from your home kitchen. Now let's get started.
Let's start by deseeding the chili peppers. You can use mildly spicy peppers for this dish, such as poblano or anaheim. I don't really know the name of the peppers I got today, but they have a lot of seeds. Deseeding them reduces the spiciness of the peppers. Then cut the peppers into strips. Slice the garlic and ginger. Set aside. Next, let's prepare the pork. First, trim off the white tissue on the pork tenderloin. Toss the extra tissue. Slice pork tenderloin into thin slices and layer the slices. Then grab 3 to 4 slices, cut them into strips. Then repeat the process until all the slices are cut into strips. Wash the pork strips in cold water, then remove from water. This helps the pork strips be more tender and moist later on. Squeeze out extra water when removing the pork. Marinate the pork with salt, sugar, cornstarch, soy sauce, and water. Lastly, top with some oil. Mix it up really well. Now let's start the fire and add oil to the wok. Adding the marinated pork, stir fry the pork strips until color changes. Adding ginger and garlic slices. Mix well with the pork. Then adding the chili peppers. Stir well. Season with salt, a pinch of sugar, and soy sauce. Mix well and it's time to serve. The pork stir fry with green chili peppers is a classic Sichuan dish. It's super easy to make and yet so delicious. Green peppers taste extremely fresh with the tender pork.
Now let's give it a taste. The green pepper is super fresh and super spicy as well. It is so good with the pork.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you next time.